Google is testing a new robot that can program itself. My name is Tarek Madani Mamluk, and this is what you need to know. Google has developed a robot that can write its own code based on natural language instructions. Code as Policies, or CAP, is a coding-specific language model developed by Google's Pathways language model, or PaLM. It can generate its own code that recomposes API calls and synthesizes new functions and expresses feedback loops, so CAP is basically a computer program that can write its own code. CAP can also use arithmetic operations and logic of specific languages like Python to perform complex tasks. It's still very limited in what it can do, but it could one day be used to teach robots how to play different games by explaining an abstract rule set. Why is this important? It makes handling robots much easier when their behavior does not need to be programmed individually. A human operator can give instructions like "pick up the green ball," and the robot will do the rest. If I program a robot to play ping-pong, then the robot can do nothing but exactly that. Code as Policies is one step into the direction of generalization. Someday we'll be able to train a robot that can play one game and then learn to play another without a human having to rewrite everything in human-readable code. In my opinion, this is a very important step. With machine learning, we have seen how powerful it is to train a system instead of programming it. I imagine generalization in robotics will allow us to work with robots on a higher level of abstraction. The article referenced Skynet from Terminator because we are giving a robot the autonomy to write its own code. This is true, but just as we do in autonomous cars, our autonomous robots will have to learn to operate safely. And if I'm wrong, well, we all have seen the movie. If you like stories about creepy robots, then watch this video next. It's a clip from the Tech Review podcast where we are talking about a Japanese robot finger with slightly sweaty human skin.